Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a beautiful module with the getting started with Python. This is the first tutorial, but second day I make a first tutorial based on the how you will start the Python and for data analysis, CS and non-CSS students. Non-CSS students can learn, data scientists, yes, they can learn also. So I think guys, you will enjoy this lecture. Today I will complete what is the Python and Python basics. First of all, brief history of Python. Actually, a brief history of Python is totally depend on you how you will learn. Go to Google and search on uh, brief history of Python. Then you will get a few idea for the Google Analytics and also different type of website, third party website. That's called Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands starting in 1989 as the holiday hobby project at CWI, named after the British comedy group Monty Python's Flying Circus. The language was first released 1991 and was designed with a focus on code readability and simplicity. Key milestone includes the release of Python 2.0 in 2000 and Python 3.0 in 2008, which introduced major backward incompatible charges to the fixed design flows. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit fever. I have a little bit fever also. So here is the key moments in the Python history. 1981 89, Guido Ben Rusoma began work on Python at Centrium Wisconsin and Informatica CWO in the Netherlands. 1991, the first version of Python 0900 was released. Then you can learn the list of the history plan. Also here you can learn easily from the about Python. Anyone people can ask you who asks you about the who invented Python. Then Guido van Rossum then started 1989. This is the MCQ or quiz formatting system. Then you have to learn about the Python. Why is it called Python? Name after the BBC comedy series Monty Python Flying Circus. That's came through the using the Python. And Python also the snakes. Define the snakes. So here, evolution of Python classes with the inheritance, core data types, exception handling, then functions, key variation, Python 2x, Python 3x, and latest version Python 3.1.3 12 into 1 as a now. Then popularity and uses. Python is widely used to web development also. Then scraping automation. Then software testing, data science and machine learning. So in this course basically defined, I will make it for data analyst. So I think basics Python also needed for the new user. Otherwise they can understand anything. So guys, here's the Python fundamental, and you can learn here from easily. Then Python structure, then advanced Python, then data science with Python, web development with Python. I don't focus on this one. I don't focus the web development with Python because I will make video for Python. Uh, for data scientist or data analyst as they called it. So why Python actually? So Python, here I mentioned the few points, bullet point. Okay, easy to read and write, beginner friendly, and huge community and libraries. Work on any operating system. Then perfect for modern technology, AL, AI and ML data science. Okay, this is the very important few points I included. That's why I told I call it why Python. Okay, then application of Python. Python is used in data science and machine learning, web development, design automation, scripting, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, game development, mobile and desktop app development, IoT, Internet of Things. Then advanced simplicity, syntax, high productivity, Bust library, support NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, etc. So large community and cross-platform. Cross-platform, that means Android mobile version, web app development. You can learn for anything. Okay, that's why I call the cross-platform. Installing the Python. So first of all, you have to go to simply this website. Okay, go to this website, then download Python, run installer, then check it, add Python on the path install. Okay, so I think how you will install the Python in your desktop or local host. Lots of video available on the YouTube channel, so that's why I skip this video. I'm using the install BS code for PyCharm. Okay, so now I already just showing to you this one, download one or release, or you can become a member or donate few something on. Download this Python latest version here. Okay, download source code or Python here. Okay, I don't need because I already installed it in my local server Python. Like so, this one Python exists already. Then if I show again, then Python already exists. Then now I already installed the BS code in my local system, and already live on it. So now I hope you will understand how you will install the Python. This the basics and basic simple tutorial for if I make this one, but I just skipping this one. Okay, so guys, now now, writing your first Python program, print hello, hello world, etc., or Python syntax and semantics. What is the Python syntax or semantic? Python uses the indentation of space and case sensitive, everything, etc., etc. So you can just go to Google and explain it, then you will learn it, or you can use the ChatGPT, no problem. So ChatGPT is now one kind of tutor for the uh, very simplicity. Okay, very simple way you will learn. Okay, the Python syntax. What is the Python syntax? Python syntax and semantic are the distinct but interconnected concept, the essential for writing and understanding Python code. Like this one, syntax refer to the set of rules that dedicate how code must be structured and arranged to considered valid by Python interpreter, that's called the code writing and read then execution. Okay, that's called the interpreter. It's a grammar of language violation. These rules results in syntax error. Error, that means your coding structure, anything, one kind of semicolon, colon, and first use the comma. Okay, that's the syntax error. Like indentation, Python uses indentation, not brackets that or keywords to define the code blocks. uh, Example within if statement for loops or function definition. If example this one, x greater than 0, then print x is positive. Else, if else, that calls print x is not positive, then keywords reserved the words with special meanings. If else for while def class import. Okay, operator, that means plus, minus, then multiplication, divided, division, or equal, is equal to, then less than, greater than, then curly braces, first bracket braces. Okay, that's called the operators, the punctuation also. Then statement of termination. Unlike some languages, Python statement are typically terminated by the end of line, semicolon, or optional for separating multiple. So if I write any kind of code for here, okay, if I write name equal Sophia, okay, then print hello or only hello, let's call use the their name, okay, print it. Run then the debugging, okay. Okay, so it's printed to the hello Masumia. That's called the name. Okay, then name is the here. Normally print hello then name. Okay, here you can print this one variation, payload, steps, int, file, lots of things. Okay, if you don't understand this code, how you define this one? So first of all, you have to go to ChatGPT and open this one and write down. You just command this one. Okay, break down this code or explain for me. Explain for me. Why I'm showing to you, because lots of topics you don't cover, and you don't understand also. So here this line is created variable named, name is variable, so the variable stored the strings. This is the string, you have to pass the string. Then in Python, anything inside code is treated as a test string. Okay, so after this line, then print hello name, the print function display output on the screen. That's the very easy and very simple. Okay, now just go to here. This is the variable, then passing the passes the quotation divided code, then print it, and you can easily uh, output will watch the screen, then hello and the name. That's called it. Okay, the explanation variable or etc. You can code the function of display as like this one function, print here hello, then function is this one. Okay, then variable print this here, the here is the variable, so this name list literal masukmia. Okay, so it's showing to you automatically because I already installed it in my extension, my bs code extension ei. Okay, so now if you type anything here, or you can type at x equal and just print this one. Okay, print x. So which number you want to print here? So if you want to only print this x, then okay, then y is equal to list x, no problem, you can just type and run this one again. Okay, it will be printed 1 2 3. So if you want print 1 or 2, by default you can print, no problem, literally 1 and 2 and 3. So that's the important things. So this very basic things, very basic topics I discussed now. So now you can name and to age, price, and here basic data types: string, str, integer, int, float, decimal, and boolean, true, false, list, order, correction. Then other things also, a 10 and b 3.4, that's called the example floating, uh, integer, floating, and then string and boolean. Okay, so now if I print this one, I already printed it. Then this is the simply first topics we already cover: installing Python, setting up the Python environment, writing your first code, Python syntax, semantics, then variable, data types, number, string, and booleans, comments in Python, input and output, then typecasting in Python. Only comments in Python we didn't discuss it. Okay, comment that's called the very easy step. Like here you want to comment section, then use one this step of this is x is a variable. Okay, so here if you want to save this one, then quick fix it, because AI Copilot to find it this one. Wait for it, it will automatically solve your problem. Okay, now I mistake the previous code into the HTML, like it's dot dot slash slash. This is the comment line also. Accept it. Here is the printed here. Another variable is here. Accept it. Automatically printed here. Okay. So I think this is not good. And if you practice very well, if you practice this one, this is y, another variable, print this y. Okay, so here hash sign, that's called the Python comments. Okay, so now if you want to save it and run it again. Okay, so look like that. X equal is equal x equal 1 2 3, then print y equal 4 5 6. If you want to addition this one, like x equal 10, then y equal 20, then print sum here. Okay, then use the comma, then you only print this one. Okay, which one variable type, then print it. Then if you define the differentiation, accept it, then you will think that y equal, then print product x into y, print it, and quotation all I already all are things in the same folder. You will run it here very easily, and it Copilot, that's the very easy and very fastest way you can learn for the code. Any code you can just type and Copilot automatically will suggest to you. Then if you're a beginner, then don't use the Copilot, because if you're a newbie, so you have to learn. Now here summation is equal 13. Okay, 30, then differentiation 20 10, then product, then 10 into 10, that means 200. 10 into 20, then 200. Okay, then quotation 2, that's called everything is okay. Now we already cover summation. Just comment this one, sum. We learn summation, then we learn already differentiations. Okay, difference and product, that's the multiplication. That here you can use the quotation. Okay, so and modulus, if you want, if you think that modulus you will learn, then print the modulus that calls the y modulus x. Okay, now we floor division, then greater than, less than, equal, then not equal, then greater than or equal, then less than or equal, then logic and, then logic or, then logical not, then bitwise and, then print bitwise or, then bitwise XOR, then bitwise not, then left shift, then right shift, then identity is, then identity is not, then membership in, then membership is not, then arguments assignment or argument assignment. Okay, no need to this one. Okay, it's a huge and next steps we will learn. So now if you think that and run again. Okay, wait for it. So look like that. Everything is greater than or equal, less than or equal, and equal to false because not equal, less than true, that's true, logical and true, logical or true, and everything you can learn. So this is the very simple code. I hope you will learn and enjoy very well. So guys, today we learn comment and input output, also typecasting in Python. Already sentences this I already printed, then everything is covered by this video. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Next tutorial we will learn control function and data structure working with string. Okay, so see you soon in the next lecture. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and also if you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family.